Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your user feedback collection with SurveyMonkey, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the SurveyMonkey website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to start the process. Choose the Create Survey option from the dashboard. Select a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. If starting from scratch, click on Start from Scratch. Begin adding your survey questions using the app. Choose from various question types like multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended questions. Make sure to phrase your questions clearly to avoid confusion. Consider using skip logic for a personalized experience. Organize your questions in a logical flow. Once you've added all your questions, review them for clarity and coherence. Save your survey regularly to prevent loss of work. Click on the survey options to customize settings. Decide if you want to enable anonymous responses. Set a deadline for responses if needed. Explore the Design tab to customize the appearance of your survey. Choose colors, fonts, and layouts that align with your branding. After finalizing the design, preview your survey to identify any issues. Test the survey by sending it to a small group for feedback. Make necessary adjustments based on their feedback. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab. Choose your preferred method for distribution, such as email or social media. Generate the survey link to share with your audience. Monitor the response rate through the platform's analytics. Set reminders for participants if you enabled a deadline. Once the collection period ends, navigate to the Analyze Results section. Utilize the analytics tools to review responses. Look for trends and insights that can inform your decisions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.